And some political support coming in from Kangana Ranaut. Shiv Sena is now there at airport, while there's a fringe group, Karni Sena, as well. Take a look at this. What has happened is complete commotion at the Mumbai airport. On one side, there is the Shiv Sena cadre, it appears, who are protesting against Kangana Ranaut, is what we are being told. On another, there is the fringe group, Karni Sena, that says, we will come and protect you. We will offer protection. Although, remember, Karni Sena has controversies of its own with regard to earlier films of Padmavat, where they had made a threat against Deepika Padukone back then. But today they say, we stand with Kangana Ranaut. They are at the Mumbai airport. There's also Shiv Sena, so there could be a possible clash. The security personnel has been deployed. Take a look at that. Visuals there on your screen about the posters, about the protest that is being organized. Two different sides. It is now not just Kangana versus Sena, it is even the Karni Sena groups that have come. It is Karni Sena versus the Shiv Sena becoming there at the Mumbai airport. So complete showdown even before the actor has reached. We can see black flags. It appears the black flags are likely could be used by the Shiv Sena as well against Kangana Ranaut. We'll try and wait for further confirmation as well. But complete commotion right now appears at the Mumbai airport. And this while Kangana Ranaut has already gone on a tirade. She's used strong attacks like Pakistan, POK, Babar's army, my office is my Ram temple, all of this while her arrival is awaited. We can see there in the foreground that there are security personnel and airport officials who have formed a chain, a human chain, to ensure that the crowd does not enter further into the airport, because there are of course other flights and passengers as well there. But as the flight is set to land, we can see some black flags, we can see protests being organized. We'll try and differentiate which group is protesting where and why. But heightened activity at the airport, perhaps more security will have to be deployed. All this while Kangana Ranaut has remained completely defiant. She's going to land in Mumbai, see her office demolished. She's now a Y category protectee. So even because of that security reason, will she be even walking out from this specific aisle as well? Because Y category protectees are usually then taken out from VIP exits as well. So we'll wait and watch how this is panning out. All our reporters are on the ground to bring you the latest. What started at about 10 a.m. as her leaving Manali, then reaching Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, then Chandigarh, boarding a flight, was just expected an arrival as a Y category protectee in Mumbai. But what has changed in the last few hours is demolished office, Twitter tirade, Pakistan being brought in as well. Munish Pandey is there at the airport. Munish, what is this commotion? Who's protesting? Who's holding this black flag? Tell us all the details.
Jabal Puja, now there are two groups. Jabal Puja, now there are two groups. One is supporting Kangana Ranaut and the second one is not supporting Kangana Ranaut. They are opposing it. Now the RPI and the Karni Sena, they are members of these groups and they are supporting Kangana Ranaut. But now very large number. And now there is a showdown. There is a showdown at the Mumbai airport. Those who are supporting Kangana and those that the Mumbai police to manage this crowd. They have put the support and those who are on the side. There is a very stand on the but all the Sena lady.
Can you see security personnel deployed there, or have they been caught by surprise with this protest, with this gathering that has come at the airport? Munish.
At two airports of Mumbai, and I think I'm not aware whether there was any permission sought by them. I'm not aware whether
yes.
there was any permission sought. 200 to 300 numbers, and they are with the black flag. Also, they are saying that Kangana should go to Pakistan, something which was earlier, hinted by the Shiv Sena. So
All right, so Munish Pandey is there at the airport. Take a look at that complete commotion there, because there is the RPI, the party of politician Ramdas Athavale, on the other side, and RPI is also being backed by the fringe group Karni Sena. They are saying they are there to protect Kangana Ranaut. But on the other side, protesting against her arrival appears to be some of the Shiv Sena cadre workers as well. And while we see some of the security personnel and officials of the airport, they are trying to control the situation, but they seems to have been caught unawares. Suddenly there are these groups of people holding posters, placards and black flags who have landed up at the Mumbai airport. Remember, groups like Karni Sena had already said that they will be there at the airport. They want to provide protection, even though they had threatened Deepika Padukone of chopping off her nose for acting in the film Padmavat. Today they want to stand with another woman and an actor, Kangana Ranaut. So of course a dichotomy there. Nevertheless, the commotion seen here live on your screens from the Mumbai airport, and we will try and see how the situation pans out in about 20 minutes. We are being told that Kangana Ranaut will be out of the airport. Will she be taken from a different exit? Will she be allowed to walk through this crowd as well? That remains to be seen. A Y category protectee now. Kangana Ranaut, the actor, is all set to land anytime in the city of Mumbai. But clearly the visuals show that the altercation, the showdown, has reached another level. Shiv Sena perhaps wouldn't have wanted this. They thought perhaps by telling her away initially is going to solve the matter. There was a lot of support for the Shiv Sena, for the Mumbai police, and in fact against the words used by Kangana Ranaut, specific references to POK. But since then a lot has changed. It appears that what happened today morning may just become a self-goal for the Shiv Sena and the BMC and the government. She may just get the support that she was expecting all this while. Sharad Pawar also has said there were so many illegal structures in Mumbai. Why did you have to go ahead and demolish this? You've now given an opportunity to Kangana Ranaut to speak. And remember, this is not just Shiv Sena versus Kangana. This is now possibly could be BJP at the center and Shiv Sena at the state level as well, because it is the center led by the BJP at the Union Home Ministry that has approved this Y category security for Kangana Ranaut. She has decided to thank Home Minister Amit Shah for that. So could this be also between the Shiv Sena and the BJP? Maharashtra government versus the center. Are there different dimensions? We can see some more visuals coming in. We can see some people holding placards and posters. We'll try and find out if they are either from the Karni Sena or from the Shiv Sena, because there's also a third group. There's also an RPI led by Ramdas Athavale. He's not here, but he sent his cadre workers there. But because these are black flags, it is likely that it could be against as a signal to Kangana Ranaut. So according to Satyendra Chauhan, who was in the flight just a short while ago, he had said that the flight is going to land at about 2:50 p.m., which means by 3 p.m. maximum, Kangana Ranaut is going to be out here on our screens. Will she react? Will she want to speak? But there is clapping, posters, black flags there at Mumbai airport. Remember, it's the times of COVID pandemic. Remember, it is the time where there are not many passengers though, not many flights, and yet you see this huge crowd wearing masks nevertheless. Karni Sena poster. The fringe group Karni Sena is now standing with Kangana Ranaut today. They also come out in support of Sushant Singh Rajput. They had said it was a murder. There was a representative of the Karni Sena at the mortuary who had said it is the Rajput connection. So now listen in while Kangana Ranaut is in the flight, what precisely is the situation there. But these visuals are unprecedented. Mumbai looks very different today. Mumbai today was about a showdown at Pali Hill when the BMC workers arrived. Different teams, ground floor, first floor, second floor, demolished for Kangana Ranaut when she arrives. Now it is at the Mumbai airport, another showdown between two different groups. Karni Sena with their posters, Shiv Sena also with their posters, and also the RPI. Let's just listen into what some of these supporters and workers are saying. Listen in. is a support for Kangana Ranaut, and this is the Karni Sena with their posters and banner shouting in support for the actor. Karni Sena now stands with the Manikarnika posters and images, as you can see, with them, about 10 to 15 from what I can see in a number, shouting slogans and offering support to Kangana Ranaut. But remember, just a different side to them. They had already threatened Deepika Padukone for the film Padmavat, but today they say they stand for Kangana Ranaut and will readily offer a support. Offering her support more politically because security cover has already been given to her. She has claimed threats. Union Home Ministry has provided her Y category security. There will be commandos with her already. There will be the state police. There will be 11 police personnel forming a cover, forming a ring around her when she lands at about 2:50 p.m. sharp. But Karni Sena is there to make their visibility at the airport. Also backing them, also on the other side with them will be the RPI. They are saying Ramdas Athavale has sent them to offer support to the woman who is being threatened not to come to Mumbai. But we can also see, we are being told, perhaps some Shiv Sena workers also have reached. We'll try and get you reactions from all sides. We can see the security personnel hurriedly trying to control the crowd at the Mumbai airport. Saurabh Bhaktania is live with us now. Saurabh, what is happening at the Mumbai airport? I see complete commotion. I see crowds gathering.
Absolutely, Pooja. A complete commotion situation right now at Mumbai airport. Let me take you inside. There are a whole lot of commotion here. This is going to a big tussle right now. This is a huge standoff. This is a showdown period, Pooja. What we were expecting. Look at this. The visuals over here.